Welcome to the Immigrants in the USA podcast, where we understand that the journey of moving to a new country is filled with both hope and challenges. As immigrants ourselves, we have experienced firsthand the excitement of starting anew while navigating the complexities of life in America. Our podcast was born out of a deep desire to offer support and guidance to others like us, those who are already living here or dreaming of making the leap. Each week, we share 3 thoughtfully crafted episodes that cover an array of essential topics, from understanding American education systems and exploring travel destinations to achieving professional success and mastering financial literacy. Our mission is simple: to empower you with valuable insights and practical advice as you chart your own path in this diverse land. Whether you're seeking tips on improving your English skills or looking for inspiration on how to thrive in your new environment, we're here for you every step of the way. Together, let's navigate this beautiful tapestry of experiences that define life as an immigrant in the USA. Welcome to the Immigrants in the United States of America podcast. For the next few months, our podcast episodes published on Fridays will include excerpts from Maestro Sersea's eBook, Amazing Road Trips in the United States of America, to help you discover interesting destinations throughout the United States of America. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Thank you for joining today's podcast episode of Immigrants in the United States of America. Today, we will focus on Maestro Sersea's ebook, Amazing Road Trips in the United States of America. Today, we focus on Chapter 2, Coastal Adventures, with subchapters Gulf Coast Scenic Drive, Sun, Sand, and Serenity, and Oregon Coast Highway, Nature's Wonderland. Are you ready? Let's begin. Chapter 2, Coastal Adventures. Gulf Coast Scenic Drive, Sun, Sand, and Serenity. Our journey begins in Florida, known for its endless stretches of sandy beaches and vibrant coastal cities. I recommend starting in Pensacola, where the shimmering turquoise waters of the Gulf of Mexico await. As you drive along Santa Rosa Island, also known as the Emerald Coast, let the gentle ocean breeze caress your face and the sound of crashing waves serenade your journey. Make a stop at the historic Fort Pickens, a fortress that played a critical role in the Civil War. Its well-preserved sprawl and sweeping views of the Gulf make it a must-visit destination. After immersing yourself in the rich history of Pensacola, continue eastward to the lively city of Destin. Destin, a paradise for beach lovers and water sports enthusiasts, offers an array of activities to satisfy your adventurous side. Whether you want to try your hand at deep-sea fishing, explore the vibrant underwater world while snorkeling, or simply relax on the powdery white sands, Destin has it all. Indulge in the freshest seafood at one of the many waterfront restaurants, and delight in the breathtaking sunsets that turn the sky into a canvas of vibrant hues. Leaving Florida behind, we venture into Alabama, a hidden gem along the Gulf Coast. Our first stop is Gulf Shores, where pristine beaches merge seamlessly with the turquoise Gulf waters. Sink your toes into the soft sand and let the warm sun kiss your skin as you stroll along the shoreline. For nature enthusiasts, a visit to Dauphin Island is a must. This barrier island is home to the Audubon Bird Sanctuary, a paradise for birdwatchers. Explore the winding nature trails, keeping an eye out for the countless species of birds that call this sanctuary home. The tranquility of Dauphin Island will envelop you, transporting you to a world of peace and serenity. As we continue our journey, we find ourselves in Mississippi, where the picturesque coastal towns beckon with their southern charm. Drive along the aptly named Beach Boulevard in Biloxi, where the glittering casinos and luxurious resorts stand tall against the backdrop of the Gulf. Indulge in a delicious seafood feast at one of the many waterfront restaurants, savoring the flavors that define the Gulf Coast cuisine. Next, we arrive in Louisiana, a state renowned for its vibrant culture and rich culinary traditions. Our first stop is the enchanting city of New Orleans, where the lively music, delectable food, and colorful history create an unforgettable experience. Explore the historic French Quarter, with its charming architecture and bustling streets filled with jazz music. Try the famous beignet at Café du Monde and savor the mouthwatering gumbo and jambalaya that epitomize Creole and Cajun cuisine. As we leave the bustling city behind, we enter Texas, the final destination of our Gulf Coast adventure. The coastal city of Galveston welcomes us with its sun-drenched beaches and a rich history that dates back to the 19th century. Take a leisurely stroll along the expansive seawall, the longest continuous sidewalk in the world, and admire the magnificent Victorian-style homes that line the streets. For a truly unique experience, I recommend venturing to Port Aransas, a charming island town on Mustang Island. Here, you can enjoy long walks on the beach, try your hand at fishing, or even embark on a thrilling deep-sea diving expedition. Indulge in freshly caught shrimp and oysters at one of the local seafood joints, immersing yourself in the flavors of the Gulf. As the sun sets on our Gulf Coast Scenic Drive, the memories of stunning beaches, delectable seafood, and charming coastal towns will linger. The Gulf Coast offers a tapestry of landscapes and experiences, painting a picture of sun, sand, and serenity. So, pack your bags, start your engine, and embark on a road trip that promises to be nothing short of amazing. The Gulf Coast awaits, ready to ignite your senses and leave you with memories to last a lifetime. Oregon Coast Highway, Nature's Wonderland. As I embarked on this journey, I could feel the excitement bubbling within me, eager to discover the hidden gems that lay ahead. With each turn of the wheel, the dramatic cliffs of the Oregon coastline stretched out before me, their jagged edges contrasting with the calm expanse of the Pacific Ocean. It was as if nature herself had sculpted this mesmerizing masterpiece for all to behold. One of the first stops along this stunning highway is the iconic Cannon Beach. This picturesque destination is renowned for its towering haystack rock formations rising majestically from the shore. As I strolled along the pristine sandy beach, the crashing waves and salty sea breeze filled my senses, breathing life into my soul. Small coastal towns such as Seaside and Manzanita welcomed me with their warm hospitality, inviting me to sample their fresh seafood delights and immerse myself in their charming coastal atmosphere. Continuing my journey, I encountered quaint lighthouses perched on rugged cliffs, their beacons guiding ships safely through the treacherous waters. Tillamook Rock Lighthouse, known as Terrible Tilly, stood as a testament to the resilience and bravery of its keepers, weathering storms and waves for over a century. Heceta Head Lighthouse, surrounded by lush greenery, provided a breathtaking panoramic view of the coastline, a sight that left me in awe of nature's grandeur. As I ventured further south, the Oregon Coast Highway unveiled its true splendor. Otter Crest Loop, a scenic byway perched on the edge of dramatic cliffs, took my breath away with each twist and turn. The waves crashing against the rocks below served as a reminder of the raw power of the ocean, its untamed beauty both captivating and humbling. Adventures beckoned me at every corner as I explored the Cape Perpetua scenic area. This natural wonderland is home to the enchanting Devil's Churn, a narrow inlet carved by the relentless waves. I watched in awe as the sea thrashed against the rocky walls, creating a spectacle that inspired both fear and admiration. Nearby, the Thor's Well, a collapsed sea cave, seemed to swallow the ocean whole, leaving behind a mesmerizing whirlpool that captured my imagination. The Oregon Dunes National Recreation Area presented a contrast to the rugged coastline. Miles of vast, undulating sand dunes stretched out before me, like golden waves frozen in time. This unique landscape ignited the explorer within me, urging me to don my adventurous spirit and try my hand at sandboarding, gliding down the dunes with the wind in my hair and a sense of exhilaration in my heart. My journey along the Oregon Coast Highway also brought me face to face with unique wildlife. The Sea Lion Caves, America's largest sea cave, provided sanctuary to a cacophony of barks and roars as California sea lions basked lazily in the sun. I marveled at their playful antics, their sleek bodies elegantly gliding through the azure waters. Nearby Yaquina Head outstanding natural area granted me the privilege of observing nesting colonies of seabirds, their calls filling the air as they soared above the crashing waves. As my road trip neared its end, I found solace in the picturesque town of Florence. The historic old town, with its charming shops and restaurants, invited me to wander its streets, indulging in handmade treasures and savoring the flavors of the region. The Siuslaw River Bridge, an architectural marvel, connected the town with the sand dunes, a testament to the human ingenuity required to traverse this majestic landscape. As I reluctantly bid farewell to the Oregon Coast Highway, I couldn't help but feel gratitude for the memories it had bestowed upon me. This nature's wonderland had not only offered breathtaking panoramas, but had also given me a profound appreciation for the delicate balance between human existence and the untamed beauty of the world. It had reminded me that in the midst of the fast-paced modern world, there are still places of untapped serenity and enchantment waiting to be discovered.
Thank you for listening to today's episode of our Immigrants in the USA podcast, where we understand that the journey of moving to a new country is filled with both hope and challenges. Join us again as we share 3 distinct episodes each week that cover an array of essential topics, from understanding American education systems and exploring travel destinations to achieving personal and professional success and mastering financial literacy. You are invited to also visit our official website for Immigrants in the USA at www.immigrantsin.us. Together, let's navigate this beautiful tapestry of experiences that define life as an immigrant in the USA.